Help me to see what you need of me today. I know I've been lost in this world full of sin. I need you right now. Tell me where to begin. Oh Lord, as I search in the dark. Please shine your light if only a spark. I'll do the work if I know you are there. Help me, Lord, hear my prayer. I feel your light, your warm embracing glow. I hear you, Lord. I'm ready to let go. My heart is lighter, my head's begun to rest. I'll do your work, Lord, if only at my best. Oh Lord, as I searched in the dark. You shone your light, much more than a spark. I did your work, for I knew you were there. Thank you, Lord, you heard my prayer. Thank